Performing Materialities is a performance-making workshop. It's based on the idea that performance can be generated through the shared agency between the material and the body. During the workshop, you will have the opportunity to learn, experiment, and play in a safe and inclusive space. From bodily awareness exercises to material exploration and collaboration, you will connect with like-minded artists and expand your creative practice. At the end of the workshop, you will share a short performance with the group. If you're curious about performance making and want to be part of a supportive community, this opportunity is for you. We welcome everybody from any background and experience. We hope to meet you soon.
It's a really interesting experience, and also just how anyone can make a performance.
So I feel very, very inspired, but I also feel very present.
I'm taking away the connections between movement qualities and the qualities of materials, and how, as an artist, I can apply that in performance.
In my design work, I might implement more research into the movement qualities of materials.